Alright, so here's all the fabrics that we picked out to use for this costume. We got them all at Walmart actually for about $50, and I think there's probably a lot more of some of these than we really needed, but we just didn't want to, be short. So that was a pretty good deal actually. I was kind of surprised. This is like a sort of a satin polyester that'll be used on the, the body, the outside of it. We're going to actually paint it with I'm going to paint it with fabric paint, the gold paint, and then I'm going to make gold leaves out of this sort of spandex stuff that will sort of hang off of it in a three-dimensional way. And then this is going to be for the belt around the center, right here. I think in the drawing it's just sort of like a fabric wrap, but I'm actually going to make it almost like a little corset, like it's going to lace up in the back. And then I'll attach a big bow made with these two fabrics. And then this is a sort of a stiffer fabric that I'm going to use for these shoulder trims and for the bow. And then obviously the inside is going to be, there's going to be a white layer underneath with this white crepe satin fabric. And then we didn't have anything quite like the sort of brooch in the picture, but I've got this, and so we're going to paint this gold, I think it is, in a drawing. And then this is just cording for the belt. Yeah, and so that should be pretty good. I got 6 yards of this, 6 yards of this, I think 2 yards, and like half a yard. So again, I think we'll probably have way more than we need, and hopefully I can use it on something else when we are done.